What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog of meanicemedia. And today is gonna be a very special vlog. Siyempre nakita na natin yan sa thumbnail and yan. And we're now here sa Singapore for the 2023 Singapore Grand Prix.
On our way to Iron Orchard, you'll get to see the beauty of Singapore with the mix of modern architecture and green spaces. Walking around the area para kang nasa malaking BGC na mas maaliwalas and mas mahangin.
So for our first F1 related tour, we'll go to Iron Orchard wherein meron display ng Red Bull. I think it's RB19 na tayo nandun. Then later on, magkaroon doon ng meet and greet si Max and Checo. Though I'm not a big fan of the boat, but it's still Max and Checo nga naman, diba? Kaya puntahan natin.
For our first F1 related event, we went to Tag Heuer Iron Orchard Lane for meet and greet of Max and Checo. I went here on Thursday, and at that day, expect a lot of F1 events around Singapore and make sure to catch all of that. You'll get to have the infos naman about the events when you join some F1 Singapore Grand Prix groups on Facebook. And for our next stop, we went to Shimes where we have a McLaren meet and greet, and they also have McLaren F1 display. And yun, a meet and greet with Lando Norris, and here I had a good spot kung saan mismo nakadaan si Lando, kaya nakita natin siya ng mas malapitan. And right across the street, we also have Williams display in Raffles City where you can try their simulators and buy some Williams merch. Here is our entrance for Zone 1 that has access to Pit Grandstand, turns 1 and 2. It's just a bit of a long walk from the metro station and hindi naman mahaba yung pila niya ngayon. Upon entering, we'll first see the warp stage, and beside that, we have this free simulator experience, which of course we'll be trying later on.
In audio.
So, in here, you'll be racing with 8 other competitors. And whoever wins the race will get a chance to set a fastest lap record for overall races. And the winner for overall fastest lap will win a free paddock access ticket.
In audio.
And this is the rig setup we'll be using. It's a Fanatec direct drive with F1 steering wheel. And I'd say that the seats are pretty accurate with an F1 car kasi nakahiga ka na talaga sa seats mo. So we won our race with the other players, so we got a chance to set our fastest lap here in this special rig right here.
In audio.
For our first spot, we're here at Turn 1 platform, where you can see cars exiting from the pit stop and approaching to the Turn 1. I'd say that this is a good spot as you get to see the cars up close, but you just have to be here earlier as it is the most accessible platform spot from the gate 1. And this is the Super Series. It is the biggest domestic racing series in Thailand, where cars racing here are a mix of GT3, GTM, and GTC supercars. Besides the Formula 1, you also get the chance to watch the supercars racing around the track.
Here's the price for their foods, guys. Burrito was like 600 to 700 something. And yung Coke nila is nasa 170 to 200 siguro. Order tayo ng Coke and burrito. Medyo may kamalan pero wala kang magagawa pag gutom ka na eh. Ayan.
audio.
He's also the biggest to come back into strength. Maybe the story is how bad is that issue, that power issue for the Williams.
So that's it guys for our first day practice session of Formula 1. And tomorrow will be another practice then qualifying. So it's quali day, Saturday. Mas maraming tao ngayon compared kahapon as practice lang kahapon. But right now we'll be having third practice, which is at 5:30, 5:20 na. So kailangan na natin humanap ng spot natin.
So we're here again at our spot yesterday on the last turn. You really have to be here so early so you can have a good decent spot kasi napupuno siya kaagad. And here we have the last practice or the FP3 before the qualifying.
Sitting the new
You could also try the Singapore Flyer for free. You just have to cross from Promenade Grandstand going to Pit Entry Lounge 1. Nagtanong-tanong lang din ako paano makapunta since may mga areas na restricted. But it's all free if you have Zone 1 ticket, even if it's Premier Walkabout. I really suggest trying this as you get the chance to see the whole street circuit and the Singapore skyline. Nung nakasakay na ako dito, sabi ko sulit na din talaga yung binayad ko eh.
In audio.
And we found another best platform to watch the race. This is where I stayed all throughout the race as the spot is really good. In here you'll have two screens right in front of you and you'll get to catch the action in turns 1 and 2 and the cars exiting from the pit lane. As in, nasa harap mo na lang talaga yung masasakyan na galing sa pit stop. we're about to check out na, and bago ako umalis, gusto ko rin makita nyo kung ano yung everyday view ko dito. So everyday palaging may interesting cars na pumaparada dito sa harap. Ayan. Look at this Toyota CHR. This is quite interesting for me kasi alam naman natin na walang ganito sa Pilipinas, diba? And this one, the E300. Grabe yung mga kotse dito sa Singapore. Spot right here is a legit Evo friend. Ito araw-araw ko to dito nakikita pero ngayon ko lang siya na video. Got HKS intercooler, TF hood, NKRP F1 mags, AP Racing big brake kit. Ganda rin ito, nice choice of color. It's candy orange. Got big wing. Ganda. Ang car spotting talaga dito sa SGQ. Yan, dito nga pala tayo nag-stay. Pero dito sa Singapore guys, hindi biro magkaroon ng sasakyan kasi grabe, sobrang mahal ng sasakyan dito. Imagine yung Honda Jazz nila or yung Toyota Vios. Yung worth nun pag kinonvert sa peso, aabot ng milyon. Kaya mahal talaga magkakotse dito. So before we head out to Singapore, before we fly out to Singapore, we first check this SF90 of Charles and Carlos. So yun, tignan ko lang ito bago tayo umalis. And this ain't a replica guys. Talaga mismo yung ginamit nila last season. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi story time. Kaya ako pumunta dito sa Marina Bay Sands para tignan yung car ng Ferrari dun sa MBS lobby. Tapos yun, after that, medyo nagtagal siguro ako dun while checking the car. And after that, pumunta ako sa mga shops para mag-ikot-ikot lang. Then pumasok ako sa Rolex. Para tumingin lang din ng mga Renault. Pero wala naman akong pambili. Tingin lang din sa akin. Pero pag tingin ko sa likod, paglingon ko, nandun si Charles. This. Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala kasi hindi ko na-expect na nandito pa sila kasi may race sila sa Japan next weekend. So yun, hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin ko kasi natataranta ako, pero buti dala ko tong cup ko and yung marker. Dapat hindi ko na ito dadalhin kasi dagdag bit-bitin pa nga. Pero yun, but my gut keeps telling me na I should bring this. Then kaya pala, thank you Lord, grabe, napaka-appreciate. And it's my birthday today, so it wasn't a happy birthday. Thank you guys for watching this video. It took a while for me to upload this video and continue vlogging. And if you want us to continue doing F1 contents, please do like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Meanicemedia. Thank you guys.